Hey guys, どうもNanase Arisaです。Today, I will talk about Hinamatsuri. What is Hinamatsuri?
The Doll Festival on March 3rd is a special day for girls. A family with young daughters celebrates this day and wishes for their health and growth by setting up a display of special dolls. The dolls are placed on a stepped shelf. The Empress and Emperor sit on the top shelf. Doll sets are often passed on from generation to generation. On the day of the Doll Festival, we also celebrate peach blossoms and eat special rice cakes and many snacks for girls.
So, yes, we can say Girls' Day or Dolls Festival or even Girls Festival. Girls celebrate ourselves. I don't have any great Hina dolls, so instead of that, I bought some snacks. So I'll eat it and introduce it to you. This snacks is for girls, so please don't eat them if you are man. I'm just kidding. I'd like to try this one. I guess this is not cherry blossom, this is the peach blossom. But wherever it is, I'm not interested in flowers, but interested in the snacks. I think this box has many kinds of snacks of Hinamatsuri. Wow, look at this. Little snack bags. 1, 2, 3, 4 kinds of candies in this box. Looks so gorgeous. Wow, this is so cool. There is 3 balls in this little bag. I'll eat it later. I will try this one. It's called Kyo arare. I've never seen this actually. Oh, it looks like snow. I'm gonna eat it. It's so soft. Tastes really sweet. It's melting in my mouth. There are 3 colors, but taste is the same. I guess you guys interested in like this one. Didn't know this is called Kyōfu tsukune. Usually tsukune is one of the yakitori. This is totally different one. I saw those kind of snacks in China. Little bit hard. It looks like popcorn. Oh, look at this. There's a peanut. So my mouth is so sweet right now. I will show you guys Tamago boro. Usually it's called Tamago boro, but since this is for the Hinamatsuri, it's called Hina boro. Like regular Tamago boro, just this color. But this has many colored boro. Wow, that's so cute. Yeah, I really love Tamago boro. I guess the taste is same, or even baby can eat it. This is konpeito. I like this one too. It looks so gorgeous, so cute. This is just sugar. Many stars in my mouth right now. So this is the last one. It's called goshoku mame. 5 colors beans. This is beans with sugars. It's green beans. Too much sugar in my mouth. It's so cute. So now you can tell these kinds of snacks just packed like this and in this box. So I ate 5 kinds of snacks. My best favorite one is, I usually really like Tamago boro, but I give my best prize for this one. Yeah, I really liked it. I've never eaten this actually. It looks like Senbei, but sweet. Well, I'm sure you can have really fun girls' day if you like sweet things. Even if you are not girls, you can enjoy those snacks. So, see ya!
大量に買ったんですけど、めちゃくちゃ甘いです。虫歯にならないか心配。なんか海外のお菓子も甘いけどちょっと違う甘さですよね。ぜひインスタやツイッターのフォローもお願いします。